These are the dogs available at Pinellas County Animal Services on Tuesday the 10th. This is Zeus. Zeus will be going to Highlander Park this Saturday. It's from 11 to 5. We're participating in an adoption event, Mutt Madness. Our dogs are $14 for large dogs and $75 for puppies and for small breeds. This is Kobe. Welcome to Adoptions, Kobe. 2-year-old boy, 63.7 pounds, 56, 40, 78. Marley just went out for a walk. Oh, big yawn. This is Waylon, 2 years old, 58 pounds, 56, 26, 10. I think a rescue's coming for you. Yes. This handsome guy is Riley, one blue eye, one brown eye, no cats, 50 pounds, 310894. This is Miss Tiffany. She's a real sweet girl. She's going to the event on Saturday as well. This is Tammy, a year and a half. She's 53 pounds, 56, 30, 86. Romeo is still here, a black and white pit, 2 years old, a boy, 56, 36, 22. This little guy is, oh, it's Molly. Molly is a year old. She is a hound mix. She was a stray. Look how cute she is. 56, 38, 51. What's all the noise? What's all the noise? This is Honey. If you go on Facebook, you'll see that Honey was sitting in my chair in my office. You can see she's a little shy in the kennel. She's a great dog out of the kennel. She just came in, 56 pound. Ooh, look at you, handsome. 9 months old. No, you're beautiful. Oh my gosh, you're beautiful. Bella is a Rottie Doberman at 50 pounds, just came into adoptions. You are beautiful, Bella. Flower's 4 months old. A baby. 18 pounds. Oh, you're so cute. A little girl, 56, 36, 38. This is Buddy. Buddy's going to be going with us to the event too if he doesn't get adopted. 45 pound, 7-year-old boy. A Basset Hound Shepherd mix. This is, oh, this is Dolly. Hello, Dolly. This is Louis. Dolly, it's so nice to see you in adoptions. Yes. Oh, big stretch. How's my girl? Oh, it's so good to see you. You were in the 300 building the other day. Dolly's 2 years old. She just had puppies. No, you just had puppies. A female, 33 pounds. A dog in surgery. Here's another. Here's another dog. Sarge, that we're taking to the event on Saturday. We're taking dogs that have been in adoptions a while, and rumor has it that there may be a bunch of puppies with us as well. A 6-year-old neutered boy, Shrek, 30, 86, 67, 72 pound pit, and 119. In 120, an American Bulldog, 60 pounds. I don't see a name on you. I'm going to have to find out. You were an owner surrender. Amore is a year old, 40 pounds, 56, 31, 45. This is a Bella. We have 2 Bellas. This is 8-month-old Bella. You're a baby too. Yeah. Bella is a Hound Shepherd mix in kennel 122. Lucas is a year and a half old pit, 64 pounds, 56, 30, 58. He's been here since February 10th. This is Jake, 4 years old, a lab hound mix. Hey Jake, hi baby. 56, 38, 43, a boy. Oh my goodness, you have Aussie in you, and you have Corgi in you. Look at you, you're an Aussie Corgi. Laura Lee is 2.5 years old. She's a girl. She was an owner turn-in. She's absolutely darling. Look at that Aussie face and the Corgi body. And you know that I'm partial to Aussies. This is Keegan, 37 pounds, a lab mix. 56, 22, 25, a year and a half. Oh, it's a puppy! It's a puppy! Oh, you're so cute. This is one of the puppies that was in foster. It just came back today, up to date on everything. Only 8 weeks old, 10 pounds, a little lab mix. The foster mom said that she was crate training her, doing really well, a real smart little guy. So that puppy will be gone quickly. Another Sarge 2, 3 years old, 56, 23, 62 in kennel 128, 45 pounds. Lance, hey baby, you resting for the night? With your head over your bed. 3 years old, 61 pounds, a boy, 56, 24, 63. This is Joker. I understand rescue's coming for Joker. 2 years old, 56, 26, 09. Dum 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 dum. It's Rocky at 6 months old. 57.2 pounds, weighing in. A champion of a dog. Ready to go to the... I better stop. I'm doing my Rocky imitation. 56, 31, 65, a boy. Rocky. Tasha. Tasha's a year and a half. 47.5 pounds. 56, 25, 69. Hey baby, Sweetie's 2 years old. She's a pretty girl. 49 pounds, 56, 28, 33. Oh, our handsome American Bulldog at 2 years old. Sasha. Hi, Sasha. Someone will come for you, I promise. And Blake. Blake's a 2-year-old boy. Male, 60 pounds, 56, 22, 11. So, come on down to Pinellas County Animal Services and adopt your next forever pet. We have lots. Our large dogs are 14, and our small breeds and puppies. Let's go look at the puppy again. The puppy is $75. So come on down to Pinellas County Animal Services and adopt this cutie patootie.